Naomi is washing out the bowl for the slime. As you see by the title, we're teaching you, Noah, we're teaching you how to make slime. Because Noah. So, we're going to comment below. All of these go loose.
And if you guys want glue, we have 8 glues, and the rest are in the
We have a lot. We both got 3.
No, we have 12 glues. Really?
No, we don't.
We both got 3. Oh no, we both have 6 glues. See?
No, we both have 3, Naomi.
I mean together.
Together it's 6 glues.
And this is the bowl that I was gonna wash out.
Oh, that's so sorry.
Yeah, but we're gonna teach you how to make slime.
So first you need glue. Are you making yours first?
You wanna make a big kind of big slime?
You can use
one glue.
Well, this looks great, Ray, but we both use half of our glue.
Yeah, half of our glue.
Okay.
But this is a container that we're gonna be doing in. I'm trying to clean it out. It's messy. It's crap. Can you clean this out a little? Make sure there's nothing. But the is some shaving cream, and I got a lot of shaving cream, and also
mix it. Where's the thing? I was looking in here. We gotta mix it somehow.
And this can pour it.
The moment you realize
give me
there's
that.
nothing original about your original floors.
Wait. Don't use it. It's dirty. But yeah, you just want to use just shaving cream. But we're having a little extra. So yeah.
Nice and liquid.
Okay. So
we gotta mix it.
And you just want to mix it. We have both. And we're
also
gonna,
while you're mixing,
you add some lotion.
So it'll be nice and stretchy.
And not sticky. And to make it clicky, I mean
crunchy?
No, clicky.
What is, kneadable?
Yeah, kneadable is adding face cleanser, but we don't have the right ones to do that. I'm trying to get the bottom of how you can mix. And I'm just gonna add a little more lotion mask. And we're gonna also add some color.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna add our sparkly. It's sparkly. Sparkly. And this is, I don't need this nail polish, so I just decided to use it. But yeah, you can keep mixing it. We have so many glues, guys.
We have 6
glues in total. Keep mixing.
Or we can add a marker after we're
And if you just want to do this.
Y'all can't see, but it's turning purple.
And it looks like you got, oh, Lord have mercy in my soul.
Naomi.
Put it in.
You're right. Oh my God.
Yeah, that's
Was she domineering?
No, not yet, not yet.
Gonna put that.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Can't get on my bed. It's a really pretty color. I'm just gonna get in the container, please. It's really nice. Look, guys. We don't want it too dark, you know. So yeah. I'm just gonna add a little more shaving cream.
You may now enter the vehicle.
Like this.
Okay, I'll let you go.
Alright, now we're going to put in our contact solution. Activator. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like. And Amari, we're gonna add. No, let me add a little bit. Mix. Add your activator. And it's coming together.
Keep on.
Y'all, I know we filming bad, but we filming real bad today. I'm filming. It's coming together. We had it a lot.
Morning.
You better step on it, honey. The old man with the weapons gave it.
I'm not trying to use all my mom. See what?
I forgot that was wrong.
You doing great, Tamara?
Start kneading it. All put it in your hands. So yes, it's really fluffy, like kind of sticky. We're just gonna add some shaving cream.
Just gotta keep on kneading it.
So it's all good.
Nice fluffy slime. If you want this, comment down below. We'll sell it. I'll sell my half on Mercari.
It's so big.
You did good, baby.
You guys, it's the biggest.
Don't answer that.
It's so big, guys. Look.
Concentrate.
And it's so soft, Amari. We added the lotion and it makes it so soft. So, and stretchy.
You
Wait, hold on. Let me add activator. Get the plate out. And it's bubbly. Okay. So, let me add it. Okay. This I'll put activator on the back. Okay, let me put it in the hole. So we're just gonna put some, and this is how you make fluffy slime. So I hope you guys enjoy.
see?
What?
Show
One,
I
two,
think that's how you know.
hold on. I'm putting all my stuff in here.
Oh, okay, and we could do that.
I just need to put in the waffle. Yeah, I feel like let me clean some.
I was yelling at those people to get out of the way. I was yelling at innocent pedestrians.
Sure, take their side.
Look.
So guys, thanks for watching this video. If you didn't like this video, please share, like, comment, subscribe. If you did like this video, please subscribe, like, comment, share. So yeah, peace.